Alright, YouTube, so here we go. We're ripping out this retaining wall here. And we're going to rebuild this retaining wall. We're going to put it in correctly. And we'll let you guys see it as we're doing it.
Is what you were thinking?
Yup.
So I was counting blocks and I shut it off a little short. But I thought really did want to come back to here.
Now you guys are hemming this out. Alright, YouTube, here we go. We just about got this wall all the way built. I'm about to come back tomorrow to glue the caps down and fix these drains up for them. Right there. And level this out, but yeah, we put these caps on here. Got Dakota up here laying the base, making it look good. Alright, YouTube, here we go. We'll come back tomorrow and we're going to glue these caps on. And this wall looks a lot better now. Finish backfilling. We're going to mulch. I think the customer's going to plant a tree or something. We had to do all this in the rain today too. These guys did an awesome job. That's about it. Obviously we'll have to fix this drain here. Put an elbow on that. And then we'll put an elbow right there on that drain. Right there. And smooth this out a little bit more. Probably throw some mulch in there. And there you go, YouTube. Probably would have had this done a lot sooner today, but it rained on us all day, so